Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As you know that we were discussing about the Consumer Protection Act, and in this term, we have discussed the all the forums or settlement machineries available under the Consumer Protection Act, like District Forum, State Forum, and National Commission. And also, we have discussed about the remedies available to the consumers. Now, today we will discuss about the consumer awareness. Dear students, this is one of the most important topic of consumer protection. Because dear students, only providing some provisions or only again and again implementing the act or giving some provisions or again and again making some new legal terms for protecting the consumer, it is most important that consumer should be aware. Consumer must be aware. And as it is the statement given that prevention is better than to be cured. It means that if the person is sick and only whenever he is or she is feeling sick, taking medicine and getting cure, it will be better that instead of taking medicine and getting cure, we should be precauted so that there is no need to be sick, and if we are not falling ill, then it is quite impossible of quite not use of medicine. So again and again only the grievances or complaints are going to be going for the settlement mechanism available under Consumer Protection Act is not necessary or it is not sufficient. So many times consumer must have to keep their grievances or keep their glance on the sellers as well as the producers. So under the consumer awareness, some important consumer organization and NGO is engaged in protecting consumer interest are. First of all, dear students, Consumer Coordination Council Delhi. Dear students, this is the council which coordinate consumer with the Consumer Commission or a National Commission, so that if any fraudulent activity or any illegal terms have been declared or the court has given any decision regarding or court has given any guideline or the National Commission has given any guideline, that guideline can be followed by the consumers too. So this is the organization. Next is voluntary organization in interest of consumer education Delhi. This is a voluntary organization which provides consumer education, like so many times you can see the advertisement Jago Grahak Jago ads were coming on the during the watching any TV serial, movies or any series or any live shows. So these statements help or these statements promotes to make the consumer too much cautious. Now dear students, next is Mumbai Grahak Panchayat Mumbai. In Mumbai, Grahak Panchayat is associated. It means if any problem is arising, that Grahak Panchayat is sorting out the problem without going it to the district forum or state forum or national commission. Especially it is related to the district forum. Now, next is Consumer Association Kolkata. It is also a kind of association created by Kolkata's people, to protect and prevent themselves to be cheated by the sellers or the producers. Next is Consumer Unity and Trust Society Jaipur. So dear students, here you can see that these are some important consumer organizations which have been created in different states by different consumer groups, and which motive is to protect the consumer. Hello dear students. Now after these organizations, there are some also NGOs which are working to protect and promote the consumers. So, and they are playing a vital role in favor of the consumers. Some NGOs are there, which roles are given as follows. First of all, they are educating the general public about consumers' right by organizing training programs, seminars, workshops, etc. These NGOs are also publishing some periodical and other publications to educate consumers, and these are providing legal assistance to consumers by providing legal advice to the consumer too. It means so many times it is seen that if any consumer is in the trouble or in a problem, then there is no one to provide them the particular information, the particular legal support, or we can say legal advices. In that time, before going to the district forum or state forum, some legal advices are required, that how they can tackle the problem, how they can sort out their problem, and how they can be satisfied or they can be compensated against the damages occurred due to use of the particular commodity or services available by the seller or the producers. So dear students, that time some legal advices are required. So these NGOs are providing some legal advices too, which helps the general people to take appropriate decision. Now next is that is producing films or cassettes on food adulteration, misuse of drugs, etc. So many times some short films are also going to be telecasted or produced by the different NGOs, so that by seeing these short films like advertisement, they can be aware. Now the next term, that is filing complaint in appropriate consumer court on behalf of consumers. So many times these NGOs are playing a vital role if the consumers are not capable to complain, or consumers are not capable to go through the legal formalities correctly, or they don't know how to go through the legal formalities, how to use the rights. Then on behalf of these consumers, NGOs are playing a vital role for providing them for protecting their rights. Next is, dear students, that is encouraging consumers to take an action against unfair trade practices, and thereafter taking an initiative in filing cases in consumer courts on behalf of consumers. So dear students, today so many organizations created by different societies or different NGOs are working in the field, which are helping the different group of consumers who are sufferer or who have so many grievances regarding the product, regarding the producer, regarding the sellers. So these NGOs are playing a vital role today for protecting the consumers. Dear students, now I think you all have got this term. Tomorrow we will discuss about the ways and means of consumer protection. That how consumers, or what are the ways by which a consumer can be protected. Till then, thank you.